Hello students, I'm going to solve the general aptitude problems for you, basically the numerical ability. So this is TS1, test ID, just for CS, test ID is 110011. The question number is 56. So it is given in the question, 20 students were assigned to complete an NGO project in 10 days, and after 6 days only 10% of the project was complete. So how many additional students will have to be engaged in completing the project in time? So it is given like 20 students are there, and project should be completed in 10 days. Fine. And already it is given like 50% is done, so after 6 days, so half of the project is done in 6 days, so remaining half should be done in 4 days, correct? So like if we take a total number of student as m, which should complete the work in 4 days, complete the work in 4 days. So if we just so 20 into 6, which will be equals to m into 4, because the number of students which will complete that work in 4 days will be equal to this. So when we just solve this thing, it will come as 20 into 6 by 4, so it will come 30. So that is 3 and 2 and 10, so it will be 30 students totally required 30 students to complete work in 4 days. So what question is asking? Additional number of students to complete the project in time. So 30 students are there, 30 students is required and 20 students are there, so additional will be 10. 30 minus 20, that will be 10 students will be required. See, this is the normal process, this is the basic process for solving this problem. You can use a trick for that. Trick to solve this problem is, see here what is data is given, 20 is given, 10 is given and 6 is given. So either take an LCM or take a multiple of this. So what will be the multiple of this three values will be 1200. So assume total 1200 work is there. Total work is 1200. So already 600 works has been completed, because 50% are completed, so 600 works are done. So we can calculate the efficiency. What will be the efficiency? The efficiency will be, if we calculate, so 600 works done in 6 days. So 100 works are done in 1 day. So the efficiency will be 20. If we calculate per person efficiency, that is the 5 per day work will be there. Okay. So similarly, so 600 remaining is 600. If you don't know the formulas and all, then you can use this tricks. 600 is remaining. So again, it should be done in 4 days. So it will be 150 and 150. So how the 50 will come? If we multiply it by 30, then 150 will come. So because efficiency of per person working per day is 5, so it will be 30. So total number of students required is 30, and we have already 20 students, so the required number of student is 10. Required number of student is 10. So you understand, just take the LCM or the multiple, and then just total work is 1200, so remaining will be 600. That is done in 6 days. So 100 works are done per day, so we can 20 students are there, so per student efficiency is 5% work per student can do in 1 day. So remaining is 600. So that will be done, that should be done in 4 days. So total it will come 150. How the 150 will come? If what value we will take in the efficiency, that is 30. So total number of students will be 30, and the minimum required will be 10. Thank you.